you've passed high school and now you'll be working towards a college. So, hindi ko na alam yung sasabihin ko. Uh, you guys are so amazing. I had a good time for 9 years. I had a good time with you guys. Spending my whole life with you guys was a dream come true. I have my friends who supports me. Some bit of misunderstood friends, but yeah, they still support me. So yeah. I really hope that you won't be forgetting anything that happened in your past high school years, and I hope you're proud you're an LCCN. I really do hope that. Uh, um, please, guys. I'm trying to make this less emotional because I don't want to cry in front of you guys. Tonight is your happiest day of all. But I can't agree that you have to cry though, because you're kind of bit, you're 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 gonna be a bit far away from your friends, but it's gonna be okay, because you guys will still meet after this. So yeah, thank everyone that helped you achieve your dream and finishing high school. What else there is to say? Uh, um, I really don't know what to say, everyone. Is that just congratulations, 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 and it's just a congratulations that you guys finished high school, and it's so amazing how you guys collect, how we collect with each other throughout this whole year, and I really hope we will meet again someday, our batch alumni or something. But if ever you guys will have an alumni, I swear I'll come even though I didn't graduate with you guys. I wish I could come though. So, I really don't know what to say anymore. So, congratulations. Give every best you have for your college. Welcome your college life. Welcome it. Embrace it or something. I bet you'll be challenged more on your on your college life. More challenges, more people to compete on. I meant by studying. Okay, I meant by studying. Um, more friends to hang out with. Okay, so I just hope that no one will forget the bonding that we had. Because if you forget, seriously, you'll break my heart for forgetting that you guys are friends. And so yeah, I really hope one day we'll see each other again as a complete batch. So for now, that's it. Congratulations, La Consolacion College, Caloocan Batch 2009-2010 fourth year students from graduating high school. Bye!
Hi guys, it's Olea, your former classmate and your friend. I just want to greet you all a happy graduation, and I want you to know that I'm happy for you all kasi nakagraduate na din kayo at last, di ba? Ayun. Um, namimiss ko na kayo. Sobra namimiss ko na kayo. Uh, Sana makita ko uli kayo. Tapos, ingit na ingit niyo ako eh, nung nakita ko yung mga pictures niyo. Tapos sabi ko, sana nandun ako, kaya lang hindi pwede kasi masyadong tough sa school. So, ayun, alam niyo na yun. Basta intindihan nyo na ako, di ba? Yun na yun. Anyways, happy ako kasi nakagraduate na din kayo sa wakas. Pero, ayun, medyo sad kasi alam ko magkakahiwa-hiwalay na din kayo. Ganito, ganyan. Pero, sabi ko lang, don't forget our friendship. Sana nandun lang lagi yun, okay? New friends may come and go, pero alam nyo na, sana mag-stay pa din yung dati. Tsaka huwag kayong makakalimot sa nakaraan. Tapos, ayun, namimiss ko na din lahat ng ginagawa natin dati. Yung long table, yung kopyahan, kasi lagi kayo kumukopya sa akin. Tapos, sa exam, sa homework. Tapos, nakakamiss na din yung dito, yung panghihingi sa akin ng papel, tsaka ng candy, kasi wala nang gumagano'n sa akin dito eh. Ayun. Sana masaya kayo kahit na magkakahiwa-hiwalay na uli kayo, okay? Tsaka, stay! Smile. Always. Yun yun. Ayun. Basta miss ko na kayo lahat. Tsaka, I hope see you all soon. Okay? And to hang around with you again. Kasi, feeling ko ang dami ko na na-miss. Sad. Pero, ayun. Basta, I miss you guys and I love you all. Bye-bye!